Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on influencer storefront on your Amazon shopping. We will go to turn on this mark or know how you can do that. So you just go down here, you click here on down, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just click here on settings, then it's going to show for you window like this, and you click here on permissions. So you go to next window, you just waiting to open with your window or show for you, and you just go down here, so you keep going and you come here to influencer storefront. You just click here on this mark, and you just waiting to turn on with you, and like you see this color show for us, that's my influencer storefront. It's turned on now, so that's all you have to do. Just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. I wish you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.